Seniors, if your legs feel weaker, pay close attention, because it's not just aging. If standing up feels harder, if your balance is slipping, or if walking isn't as easy as it used to be, your muscles aren't just getting old, they're not getting the right nutrition. And right now, they're slowly shrinking because of it. But here's the good news. There are 3 simple foods that can help rebuild your muscle, even if you don't exercise. Before we begin, drop your age and where you're watching from in the comments. It's always great hearing from you. Now let's start with the first one. Food number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most powerful muscle repair foods. As you age, your body becomes resistant to protein, meaning your muscles don't respond the same way. But eggs contain leucine, a key amino acid that triggers muscle rebuilding even without exercise. The mistake many seniors make while eating eggs is that they skip the yolk. But the yolk contains vitamin D, healthy fats, and nutrients essential for muscle strength and nerve function. Skipping the yolk means skipping the benefits. Food number 2. Chicken soup. Now here's something simple, comforting but incredibly powerful. Chicken soup. Here's why this works so well for seniors. Chicken provides high-quality protein your muscles need to rebuild, and when it is slow-cooked into soup, it becomes much easier to chew, digest, and absorb. And if it's made with bones, you also get collagen and minerals that support joints and muscle recovery. So you're not just feeding muscle, you're strengthening your entire movement system. Food number 3. Spinach. This one surprises most people. Spinach doesn't build muscle directly, it supports it. It's rich in magnesium, nitrates, and iron, nutrients that improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. Because here's the truth, even if you eat protein, without proper blood flow, your muscles still weaken. Spinach helps your muscles stay energized, responsive, and strong. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more.